So in this video, you will understand the importance and the story all about. We will discuss our reflection and reaction with regard in this video as well as the importance of the film.
Magneto optical indicators films are very useful tool to direct studies of the special distribution of magnetic fields and the magnetization processes in magnetic materials and industrial devices such as magnetic sensors, microelectronic components, microelectromechanical system, and others. Magneto is depicted as a powerful mutant, a fictional subspecies of human born with superhuman abilities who can manipulate and generate magnetic field. He is a Holocaust survivor who regards mutants as being superiors to humans and seeks to enable them to replace mankind as the dominant species on the planet. By the end of the movie, Magneto has been captured and placed in the plastic prison. Xavier visits Magneto at the end of the film and two play chess with glass pieces.
Importance aside from making himself able to effectively fly, Magneto can manipulate the force of gravity and magnetism for other objectives and also people. Magnetism is very important because we use it to create electrical energy. It plays an important role in electrical and electronic engineering because without it, components such as relays, solenoids, inductors, chokes, coils, loudspeakers, motors, generators, transformers, and electricity meters would not work.